you've ever wondered why Disney tales all end in lies, here's what happened after all their dreams came true. I loved being princess down in this beautiful ocean blue, but mermaids are going missing, they end up in someone's stew. So just try to put yourself into somebody else's gills. You're killing my ecosystem with fishing and oil spills.
Oh no.
Thank you BP, thank you BP, thank you BP, thank you BP. The British are killing, oil is spilling, now I can't see my eyes. Chinamen feast on flounder spins, plus the Japanese killed all my whale friends. Oceans are browning, I think I'm drowning, thanks to BP. You suck. So this is love. So this is love. So this is what makes life divine. I'm all aglow, and now I know the key to all heaven is mine. My heart has wings, and I can fly. I'll touch every star in the sky. So this is the miracle that I've been dreaming of. So this is love. So this is love. So this is. Oh, they don't know about the things we do. They don't know about the I love yous. But I bet you if they only knew, they would just be jealous of us. They don't know about the up all night. They don't know I've waited all my life just to find a love that feels this right. Baby, they don't know about us.
And it's funny how it feels when you're burning your wheels somewhere between going and gone. You get so lost that you can't turn it off. You give in and you just turn it on. She's a heart full of rain, red lips like a flame. She's a girl from your favorite song. What a beautiful mess. One part angel, one part perfect, one part brick.